Okay. So coming up next, we have an energetic group dance that will surely get everyone moving in their seats. The performers, students from BS program, are ready to dazzle us with their talent and enthusiasm. Let's cheer them and let's welcome them on stage.
दिल डूबा दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा महबूबा बस ये जान ले महबूबा
मैं तेरे झांसे में न आऊंगी और एक दीवाने जा
क्यों
ऐसी वैसी बना के बातें मुझे न तू उलझा रे
मिट जाऊंगा दिल तेरा जीत के दिखलाऊंगा पीछा ना छोड़ूंगा चाहे जितना तड़पा दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा महबूबा बस ये जान ले महबूबा आशिक हूँ दीवाना हूँ तेरे लिए कुछ भी कर जाऊंगा इश्क में तेरे जीता हूँ तेरे लिए ही मर जाऊंगा
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पा दे चल रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई धक 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 धड़के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृत सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां धक 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 धड़के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृत सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
दिल डूबा नीली आंखों में ये दिल डूबा महबूबा
That was such an electrifying performance. The coordination, the energy, everything was just spot on. A big round of applause for the BS students and their performance.
Ladies and gentlemen, before we move forward, we have a special treat for you. You've seen so many performances, but have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes?
Yes, the hard work, the laughter, the dedication, and sometimes even the bloppers. It's all part of the journey that creates such a fun event.
So sit back and enjoy the exclusive behind the scenes. Look at all the moments that will happen.
So, let's roll the video. Sorry for the delay, it is a technical issue.
these moments are very precious. So please wait and see what all things made this event possible. Okay, so it was a joke. So before that, we are having something different for you all. So now it's time for something little different, an activity that's both fun and educational.
Yes, we are thrilled to present an exciting quiz session hosted by Dipnita, a PhD scholar. This is your chance to test your knowledge and have some fun. So, get ready for a lively quiz round.
Okay. Now it's time for audience to speak something.
So, is the audience sleeping? Y'all have to answer. Yeah. Hopefully, the first answer y'all have seen. Okay. So, a very warm welcome. And so, the first question. Yeah. So, the first question. Please listen carefully. On June 22nd, 1986, one of the most controversial moments in the history of world sports had occurred. You have to name the incident and the player. This moment is celebrated as a cunning display of gamesmanship against an arch rival by the best player of all time. The player is held as the god of football. You have to name the player and the incident that has occurred on June 22nd, 1986. Okay, the first hand goes up for Professor Shiari. Yes, sir. Absolutely right. Sir, you deserve a chocolate. Please. Sir, I am not giving you the chocolate, sir. You are the second person to put up the hand, sir. No, no, not you, sir. My supervisor. My supervisor was late. So, yeah. So the next question. Now, the answers? Yeah. The question two. Yes. Let's have the audio. Wait, guys, let me tell you the question. Okay, yes, the very easy one is identify the song and the legendary music director or composer.
ये शाम मस्तानी किशोर कुमार and
I can't see you. Wave your hand. Okay, yes.
किशोर कुमार ये शाम मस्तानी
No, the music director or the composer you have to name. I didn't ask for the singer.
okay R.D. Burman
Full name?
Rahul Dev Burman
Sure. Yes. Yeah, sure. Now, moving on to the third question. So, let's have the video clip.
please see the video first.
Yeah, please see the video. There's an interesting question.
Necessary to sustain life. Poetry, beauty, romance, love. These are what we stay alive for.
I'm sorry, maybe you have to just read the subtitles because you can't hear the audio. Okay, so the clip that you just saw, you have to identify the film and the main actor of the film. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, the film, you're absolutely correct. We can have the answer. The film is Dead Boys Society. And the actor? Yes? Who? Yes, sir, obviously. Last year's Godfather and this year's Robin Williams, yes. So, ma'am, distribute the chocolates. Oh, okay. Chocolate to ma'am. Jaguri to ma'am and to sir, Professor Bera. To ma'am. Okay, moving on to the fourth question. Let us have the image. Yes, it is related to our subject. These two lifelong friends have developed coupling reactions which are frequently used or done by synthetic chemists around the world even today. Identify these iconic chemists. Anybody? You all want a hint? The reaction, please. Tell the full name. Two names. Anybody in the audience? The two chemists, we use it. We use their reaction.
Charles.
Yeah, put up your hand. Charles Kraft.
Yeah.
And?
And James Matt.
Okay, let's have the answers. But yes, ma'am, you will also get Friedel Kraft. Whoever said that. Yeah, let's have the answers. Charles Friedel and James Kraft. So you have just mismatched the names. Yeah. So moving on to question number 5. It's a riddle. The question is displayed on the screen. The first 2 letters signify a male. The first 3 letters signify a female. The first 4 letters signify a great, while the entire word signifies a woman. What is the word?
Heroine.
Yes, absolutely right. Yeah, let's have the answer. Okay. Okay, moving on to the 6th one. 6th question. Audio, please.
Only when the blood of freedom-loving Indians begins to flow will India attain her freedom. Inqilab Zindabad. Azad Hind Zindabad.
The voice you have heard is of a patriotic hero, one of the most revered freedom fighters of India, a warrior and an iconic leader who led India's freedom struggle. You have to identify the freedom fighter.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Yes, it is indeed Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, but I got answers simultaneously, so 2 people are getting the chocolate. Okay, so the next question, question number 7. Let's have the image. Yes, so this instrument is used by us chemists daily, but this form that you are visualizing right now is the one that is a very first of its kind. So this is the very first form of the instrument. You have to name the spectroscopy associated with this instrument.
NMR, this is one is NMR.
Okay, one is saying EPR, one is saying NMR. Okay, let's see. What is this? Which instrument is this? It is used daily.
NMR only.
Yes, it is the nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy. This is the JNM1. It was the very first form of the NMR instruments that was developed by Geol. So yes, it is the NMR spectroscopy. Okay, can we have the question number 8? Yes. So back in 1963, this became the first institute in India to offer computer science education. Name the institute.
IIT Kanpur.
Yes, it is our institute, IIT Kanpur. Yes, let's have the answer. Yes.
Everybody knows the answer, ma'am. What to do?
It's okay. No more. Moving on to question 9. Moving on to question 9. What happened? Multiple technical glitches. Very sorry for that. Please. So, question 9. Question 9, can we have the riddle up on screen? Yes. So, I have keys, but no locks and space. and no rooms. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? Yes, so it is right. It is keyboard, and there back somebody said. Yes, it is keyboard. Keyboard. Keyboard is the answer. Yeah. Okay. So the final question of the quiz session, question number 10. Yes, let's have the image. The instrument that you are seeing here is a crescograph, which is a highly sensitive instrument to the plant tissues. You have to name the inventor. He is an iconic Indian scientist, a plant physiologist, and a physicist known across the globe.
Jagadish Chandra Bose.
He is indeed Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose. Yes. So thank you everyone for your such enthusiastic participation. Have a good time. Thank you.
Hoping you all liked it. Now it's time for something a little different. And
Now, to present a welcome token to the MSc program, we would like to welcome Professor Dhamraja Ali Mithu sir to give a token to the MSc program students.
somebody from MSc come.
Oh, he's coming. I would now like to welcome Professor Prateek Sen sir so that he can give to the BS program students as well. And someone from the BS program, can you please come onto the stage to receive the token?